Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel, Moto Spectrum. Today we're diving into an icon of American trucking, the Kenworth W900. If you're passionate about diesel power, classic design, and the rugged reliability of a true workhorse, you're going to love this in-depth review. The W900 isn't just a truck, it's a legend. Whether you're a veteran driver, a fleet owner, or just someone who appreciates big rigs, this is one machine that deserves attention. Let's take a ride through its legacy, performance, comfort, and all the features that make it one of the most respected long-haul trucks on the road. Buckle up, because this is more than a review. It's a tribute to the Kenworth 900. The Kenworth W900 first rolled off the line in 1961. That's over 6 decades of development, evolution, and loyalty from drivers across North America. The design hasn't strayed far from its roots, and that's by design. This truck is known for its long hood, chrome detailing, and a stance that screams American power and pride. It's no surprise that it's often the go-to model for owner-operators who want a rig that looks as good as it runs. Under the hood, the W900 can be spec'd with several powerful engine options, including the legendary Cummins X15. This engine can produce up to 605 horsepower and 2,050 lb-ft of torque, giving the W900 the grunt needed to tackle the heaviest loads over the longest hauls. Pair that with an Eaton Fuller 18-speed manual or automated transmission, and you've got a drivetrain that delivers performance, reliability, and control on any terrain. What sets the W900 apart isn't just brute power, it's the right quality. Kenworth's Air Glide suspension system soaks up bumps and reduces driver fatigue, a huge bonus on those long cross-country runs. The cab is built on a strong, lightweight aluminum cab structure, reducing weight while still standing up to